Good Tuesday, everyone. I'm meteorologist Dave Snyder at the National Weather Service with Alaska's statewide weather. A large area of low pressure is working across the eastern Bering Sea at 967 millibars, and that's creating quite a stir across the central and eastern Aleutians. Mostly stronger winds there, 45 to about 55 miles per hour at times. Periods of rain and some wind will be commonplace as we head through the rest of the nighttime hours. Some areas north of the occlusion, including the western parts of the YK Delta, seeing a little bit of light snow and rain at this point. But again, this will mainly be a wind maker, at least for the west and southern parts of the state. Farther north, a 997 millibar low sits across the Chukchi Sea. That's creating some snow and poor visibility around the Kotzebue Sound region, especially around Kotzebue and Kivalina itself, and up around Wainwright and Barrow. Light snow has been falling there. High pressures protecting parts of the eastern interior, breaking up some of the cloud cover there, likely making for good aurora watching the last several nights. Low pressure to the west, though, will start to bring more clouds into the interior as we head into tonight. In fact, for areas in south central, showers may develop as we head toward dawn. Some of the higher terrain may see snow showers once again. Most of that will be limited to the western Alaska Range and the Chugach Range, and most areas closer to the coastline and the oceans will be looking at rainfall. Low pressure will split just a bit. The triple point low will start to move east of Kodiak Island, and the occlusion will start to wrap in on itself, starting to fill in as we head into Wednesday. That brings it back up to 989 millibars. Rain will start to work toward the north and eastern parts of the Gulf Coast. Looks like most of southeast will be dealing with a fairly dry day. Some high clouds from time to time, but most areas look dry through the midweek. Warmer air is racing across the western Bering Sea with a new low moving toward the Gulf of Anadyr. Look for more areas of fog and light rain and drizzle across the western Aleutians. And stronger northerly flow develops across the Bering Strait, diving toward the eastern Aleutians and the Alaskan Peninsula. That should set up some gap wind issues there. Windy conditions also for the eastern Alaska Range. Wind advisories and a high wind watch posted for gusts there from 45 to 55 miles per hour tonight and tomorrow. Heading into Thursday, high pressure across the Arctic coast will wrap in some light snow into places like Kaktovik and some areas across the eastern Brooks Range. Look for warm enough air, though, for parts of the interior to bring some rain showers to the Yukon Valley, including the central and lower areas there. A 969 millibar low just around the Pribilofs will work toward Bristol Bay, bringing another surge of wind and rain to the central and eastern Aleutians and the Alaskan Peninsula, and more rain for south central. With Alaska's statewide weather, I'm meteorologist Dave Snyder.